Hello, my name is Josh Gbelawoe, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the ducktail style beard using Wahl trimmers. Alright, so the first step in achieving this look is making sure that your Wahl trimmer is prepped. So make sure it's charged and the blades are oiled. After we've prepped our blades, we want to make sure that we go in and comb out our beard. Okay, now it's time to get started on the style. We have our Wahl trimmers and we have our number one guard. We're going to use our dominant hand, like so, and go along our beard up to right here. We're going to go ahead and get our number two guard and do the next step. We're going to gradually work down and fade it out down here. Okay guys, now that we've used our number one guard right here and our number two guard right below that, we're going to go in with our number three guard on our Wahl trimmers and just go ahead and include it up down here in order to achieve that ducktail look. We're going to take our number three guard and use it along our mustache. Now that we use our number three guard to clean up our mustache, we're going to go in without a guard and just clean up, just to have a clean and nice line. We're going to go with our number four guard and clean up under here, and just a little bit right here. Once again, without the guard, I'm just going to go in there and clean up. We're not done yet. So we're going to go in with our Wahl beard softener, as you can see. It's very good, nice and soft. We're going to take that and style our beard. Okay, so once again, my name is Josh Gbelawoe. Today we achieved a ducktail style beard. We went in with our Wahl trimmer, cleaned up the sides with a number one guard. As we got lower, we went to a number two, and then finally a number three. So we have the side short and a nice ducktail point at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can achieve this look at home.